guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is lesson 6, increasing and decreasing. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so we want to match each situation to a diagram and be prepared to explain our reasoning. So compared with last year's strawberry harvest, this year's strawberry harvest is a 25% increase. So last year is the top on each of our diagrams. This year, we can see, so on this first one, this year takes up the full 100% plus an additional 25%. On the second one, we've got the full 100%, but we're taking away that 25%. So it means this year is less than last year's. So based on the statement, compared to last year's strawberry harvest, this year's strawberry harvest is a 25% increase, which means it's getting bigger. So this would be diagram A. Actual is 125% of the rectangle for last year. All right, for B, this year's blueberry harvest is 75% of last year's. So which one is representing that it's getting smaller, that it's smaller than that? It would be B. For C, compared with last year, this year's peach harvest decreased by 25%. So once again, we're decreasing, which means we're going to look at B. And then for D, this year's plum harvest is 125% of last year's. So that would represent diagram A because it's getting bigger. So we can see these percent increases. We can see the decrease. So this is how we'd show it with these tape diagrams. Now, this is doing it where we have two separate tape diagrams to represent the situation, or two separate lines, rectangles to represent the situation. We can also do it where they're all one. So draw a diagram to represent these situations. The number of ducks living at the pond increased by 40%. So we know it's going to get bigger. So we're going to have our rectangle. And we're going to say this is the original amount. So original number ducks. This is the new number of ducks. So then this is the 40% increase. So this is a way that we can take and show this. This shows that we're adding 40% to the original to get the new amount of ducks. All right, the second one, the number of mosquitoes decreased by 80%. So we're going to have our rectangle. If it's decreasing, that means we're taking away. So our original is actually going to be the whole thing. So original number mosquitoes. And then we're decreasing by 80%. So this is new mosquitoes. And this is our 80% decrease. So we can see these relationships. We know the whole thing represents the original, this little part represents the new, and this represents how much was taken off of that relationship. So we're looking at a lot of percentages here. So percentage is your key word for this lesson. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.